Welcome to Portugal, a land of stunning coastlines, rich history, and delicious food. Europe is loaded with world-class destinations, but Portugal offers travelers something special. In this video, we're taking you on a journey through the top places to visit in Portugal, including must-see landmarks, natural wonders, the ultimate road trip, and the best places to eat and relax. Let's get started. Our first stop is Lisbon, Portugal's vibrant and enchanting capital city. Perched on 7 hills overlooking the majestic Tagus River, Lisbon captivates visitors with its unique blend of rich history, diverse culture, and undeniable charm. Hop on the iconic Tram 28 to experience the essence of old Lisbon. This vintage tram rattles through the narrow cobblestone streets, offering a window into the city's heart and soul, and providing a nostalgic journey through time. Don't miss the Alfama district, the oldest part of the city, with its labyrinth of narrow alleys, colorful houses, and hidden courtyards that tell stories of centuries past. For a glimpse into Portugal's illustrious seafaring past, visit the historic Belém district. Here, you'll find the iconic Belém Tower, a UNESCO World Heritage Site symbolizing Portugal's age of discovery and maritime prowess. Nearby is the Jerónimos Monastery, a stunning example of Manueline architecture, showcasing intricate designs and historical significance. For a taste of modern Lisbon, head to the LX Factory, a trendy hub of art studios, eclectic shops, and vibrant restaurants. And no trip to Lisbon is complete without indulging in its culinary delights, which are a feast for the senses. Visit the bustling Time Out Market to sample everything from fresh seafood to traditional Portuguese pastries, all under one roof. Don't forget to try the famous pastel de nata, a creamy custard tart that is a true taste of Lisbon's sweet traditions. Pina Palace, with its vibrant colors and whimsical architecture, is like something out of a storybook, a true fairy tale brought to life. It sits atop a hill overlooking the town, offering breathtaking views of the countryside, a panorama that stretches as far as the eye can see. Just a short train ride from Lisbon, you'll find Sintra, a town plucked straight from a fairy tale, with its enchanting streets and magical atmosphere. Nestled amidst lush hills, Sintra is a place where history and fantasy intertwine, creating a unique blend that captivates every visitor. Explore the palace's whimsical gardens filled with exotic plants, hidden grottos, and secret pathways, each corner revealing a new surprise. No trip to Sintra is complete without visiting Quinta da Regaleira, a place shrouded in mystery and intrigue. This mysterious estate is filled with symbolism and hidden meanings, inviting you to uncover its secrets, explore its gardens, marvel at its architecture, and descend into the enigmatic initiation well, a journey into the unknown. For nature lovers, visit the Sintra Cascais Natural Park, offering stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean, dramatic cliffs, and hidden beaches, perfect for a day of adventure. It's a great place for hiking and exploring, with trails that lead you through breathtaking landscapes. As the sun sets, head to Cabo da Roca, the westernmost point of continental Europe, for a sense of awe and wonder, a perfect end to your fairy tale escape. Just a short hop from Sintra, you'll find Cascais, a charming coastal town perfect for relaxation and exploration. With its golden beaches, sparkling waters, and laid-back atmosphere, Cascais is ideal for soaking up the Portuguese sun. Cascais' stunning coastline offers beaches for every taste, from sunbathing to surfing. Visit the Cascais Citadel, a historic fortress with panoramic views of the town and ocean. Wander through the charming streets of the old town, stopping at cafes and shops. For adventure, head to Boca do Inferno, a dramatic cliff formation where waves crash against the rocks. It's a popular spot for photography and marveling at nature's power. As the sun sets, enjoy fresh seafood and local wine at one of Cascais' seaside restaurants. From the charming coastal town of Cascais, we journey north to Porto, a city rich in history, culture, and flavor. Situated on the picturesque banks of the Douro River, Porto is best explored on foot, allowing you to discover hidden gems and local secrets around every corner. The heart of Porto lies in its Ribeira district, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that captures the essence of the city's vibrant spirit. Here, colorful houses cling to the hillside, adorned with intricate tilework known as azulejos, which tell stories of the past through their beautiful designs. No trip to Porto is complete without visiting Livraria Lello, one of the most beautiful and enchanting bookstores in the world. Its neo-Gothic facade, stained glass ceiling, and winding staircases create an atmosphere of pure magic, making it a must-see for any visitor. Across the river, in Vila Nova de Gaia, you'll find the famous port wine cellars, where the rich history of port wine comes to life. Take a guided tour, learn about the intricate history and production of this fortified wine, and indulge in a tasting session that will delight your senses. As you wander through the streets of Porto, keep an eye out for its vibrant street art, which adds a modern twist to the city's historic charm. Porto embraces creativity, with walls transformed into vibrant works of art that reflect the city's dynamic and artistic soul. It's a city that pulses with life, creativity, and a unique blend of old and new, making every visit an unforgettable experience. From Porto, we embark on a scenic journey through the Douro Valley, renowned for its breathtaking beauty and world-class wines. Drive through rolling hills, vineyards, charming villages, and stunning views of the Douro River. The Douro Valley is the oldest demarcated wine region in the world, with terraced vineyards carved into steep slopes. Experience the Douro Valley by taking a river cruise, soaking up the scenery and learning about the region's history and winemaking traditions. Consider spending a night or two at a quinta, a traditional Portuguese estate converted into charming hotels. Visit renowned wineries, from small family-run estates to large producers. Sample the region's culinary delights, from hearty stews to fresh seafood. No meal is complete without a glass of local wine. The Douro Valley offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Now we're heading south to the Algarve, a region synonymous with sun-drenched beaches, dramatic cliffs, and sparkling turquoise waters. The Algarve's coastline is a sight to behold, with long sandy beaches and hidden coves. One of the most iconic sights is the Benagil Cave, a natural wonder carved out of the cliffs. Take a boat tour or rent a kayak to explore it up close. Inland, you'll find rolling countryside, traditional villages, orange groves, and cork oak forests. Visit the town of Silves, once the Moorish capital of the Algarve, with its hilltop castle offering stunning views. Indulge in the Algarve's culinary delights, from fresh seafood to traditional almond sweets. The Algarve offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Whether you're sunbathing, exploring, or enjoying local cuisine, the Algarve has something for everyone. It's a region that captivates with its natural beauty and rich history. The Algarve is a must-visit destination in Portugal. From the Algarve, we venture inland to Évora, a city steeped in history and brimming with cultural treasures. Évora's historic center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. At the heart of Évora lies its Roman temple, a remarkably well-preserved testament to the city's Roman past. Just a short walk from the Roman temple, you'll find the Capella dos Ossos, or Chapel of Bones. This eerie chapel's walls are lined with the skulls and bones of thousands of monks. Évora's cathedral is another must-see, with its imposing Gothic structure and treasure trove of art and artifacts. Climb to the top of the tower for stunning views of Évora and the surrounding countryside. The city has a lively atmosphere, with plenty of cafes, restaurants, and shops to explore. Be sure to try the local wine, known for its full-bodied flavor. Évora offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and vibrant city life. Our final stop is Óbidos, a town frozen in time. Surrounded by ancient walls, Óbidos is a perfectly preserved medieval village. As you enter through the town's imposing gates, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Narrow, cobblestone streets wind through whitewashed houses adorned with colorful flowers. Wander through its streets, soaking up the atmosphere and discovering hidden corners. Visit the town's castle, now a luxurious hotel. Try the local specialty, Ginja de Óbidos, a sweet cherry liqueur often served in a chocolate cup. Óbidos is a popular day trip from Lisbon, but it's worth spending a night or two. Experience the town's magic after the day trippers have gone home. Portugal, with its diverse landscapes, rich history, and welcoming people, stays with you long after you've left its shores. Portugal offers an incredible variety of places to visit, from vibrant cities to serene natural landscapes. Whether you're into history, outdoor activities, or relaxing by the beach, Portugal has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Places to Visit for more travel guides and adventures. Thanks for watching, and see you on our next trip.